chicken. It's a little muddy for you to go in there. I wouldn't recommend it. Just a bit muddy. It's been raining the past 3 days. Always my piggies. Yeah. Good morning, Sherman. Welter. Stock. So's my big boy. So's my big boy. Mikey. Oh, Mikey. He's got my foot wet, Mikey. Tyson. Eat it, Tyson. Everybody else does. Oh, Smudge, you came back. Boop. Socks, you big meathead. Who's your good boy? All right, little guys, calm down. Won't touch the fence, Sherman. There you go, sweetie. Oh, you missed it. Yeah. Yeah, how's my girl? What are you doing this morning? There you go, Shermy. Blueberry isn't something good over there because she didn't run over. Hi. How's my boy? How's my boy? Let me walk by. Oh, scratchy tacks. Scratchy tacks. Scratchy tacks. Want scratchy tacks? Oh, yeah. Bouncy bounce. Bounce the boy. Hey, easy. I don't have 4 feet. I only have 2. You hit one, I fall down. Hi, Blues. You want an egg? You want an egg? Yeah, you do. Yes, Welter. Heaven forbid we don't spoil Welter. Yes, of course you get the last one. It's your good girl. Whoa. Scratchy tags. Be nice. I don't have any more, bub. That's all I got for now. I'm gonna go with food in the trough, though. We'll go with food in the trough. Okay, that's all I got. It's empty. That's all I got, guys. It's empty. All right, we're gonna go put food in the trough. This isn't even where you get fed.